Hey, this is David with Automotive Circuit Solutions. Today I'm working on this 2003 Volvo XC70. This one came in with the typical gauge cluster issues, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to pull this gauge cluster. Alright, just real quick before I pull the cluster out, I'll show the problem. Right there, the two screens are not working, and last time I had the ignition on, there was a few pixels on. Let's see if I could get it to do it again. And pressing the trip button got it to go. See if I could. Alright, so it's working, but obviously it's going to quit again. So let's get this thing pulled out and repaired. To remove this gauge cluster, you will need a trim removal tool and a T25 torque screwdriver. If you don't have something like this, then a butter knife will work also. First thing you want to do is drop the steering wheel and pull it out. Alright, next grab the trim tool. Okay, so this top steering column cover is attached. So you could reach back here and kind of pull it off. Now grab the screwdriver, T25. Grab on top here, kind of lay it down, pull it out, and from here you got access to the connector. Just push down on this tab right here. Comes out really easy. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get this rebuilt and get it reinstalled. Alright, so we got the gauge cluster repaired. Now to reinstall it. It's pretty much in reverse order, but figured we'd show you anyway. Just going to push in the connector until it clicks. And then put the 4 T25 screws in. And now let's put the trim bezel back in. Gauge cluster is reinstalled. Let's go ahead and turn on the ignition. As you can see, everything's working. That wraps it up for this one. Thanks for watching.